Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. I'm Apostle Steve, and today I want to share with you another article that I wrote on my Substack. You can check it out in the link in the description below. And follow me there on Substack. Also, follow me here on YouTube. Hit that like, comment, share, and hit that hype button too if you can find it. And definitely support my channel. I love you all greatly. So let's get into the article. Now, I named the article Art is Your Greatest Weapon. And the greatest lesson that I've learned about art making is your best work isn't produced by knowledge, it isn't produced by skill or experience. It's born out of passion. Now, passion can't be faked. Either you got it or you don't. And if so, it will motivate you to get that skill, knowledge, and experience. And that's what's needed for mastery in any creative pursuit. The question is, how do we become enthusiastic enough about our work to sustain it? Now, the answer to this question may be obvious. However, artists often find it difficult to put this into practice. And here's the reason why. When it comes to being enthusiastic about anything, you have to be intentional. Passion takes work. It takes focused energy. You don't display it by accident. It's a deliberate act. And this level of excitement is different from attraction, which just holds your attention for a time but fades without that prolonged commitment. Attraction doesn't need your conscious involvement. You can be attracted to an idea, a person, a thing, without you investing your deepest emotions into it. And this happens often. Take a moment and think about something which recently caught your attention. Maybe it was a new medium of art, a hobby, or interest you were drawn to. Now, think of a time you pursued something that you're no longer interested in. An honest assessment of such events will reveal a common truth. If we didn't continue to engage in that interest, it's because we either lacked passion or lost it. Now, let's keep it real. Passion doesn't just happen. You don't magically wake up one day with it, and you're certainly not born with it. Passion is something we learn. It's a skill that takes practice and dedication to hold. And it's a spiritual principle that all men and women know intuitively because it's an attribute of love. The good news is that it can be self taught and learned through mentorship and training. Now, I'll be completely upfront with you. My position on this issue is simple. There's no easy fix or pie in the sky solution to this problem. And I've spent years creating art and tried a host of strategies to increase my own appreciation for my creative skills and insight. And what I can tell you is obtaining this gift is not like earning a college degree. You don't take a course, pass an exam, or obtain it through some weekend coaching retreat. And I'm not knocking these pathways. These avenues do aid in planting seeds of success. However, a true gardener must personally cultivate their plant with love and care. Now, the truth is that passion comes from a different place, a place deep within you. You can't compare it to a plaque, certificate, or trophy in a grand showcase. It's raw, powerful energy that can be felt from the way you perform and talk about your work. It's the enthusiasm and excitement you invoke in others from your engagement with your craft. Now, what makes this power so unique is that it can only come from within you. You can't buy it, Can't be hyped by ads or marketing schemes. It must originate through the one who envisions it, or the creator will fail. We have seen these types of one hit wonders come and go in every walk of life and profession. From the manufactured music groups created by marketing gurus and prodigy artists that rise to stardom, then disappear into obscurity. We've seen the temporal nature of hype, but passion always stands the test of time. Art is a long game. When created with passion, it's as relevant today as it was centuries ago. How else is it possible that we continue to study artists of antiquity if it weren't for the passion which fueled their works? As artists, we want recognition. And more importantly, we don't want to be forgotten. And I've come to accept that what makes us memorable is not our work, but the passion behind it. Nobody would remember Marlon Brando or Al Pacino in the classic film The Godfather. And had they not gone the extra mile, bringing authenticity to their characters, you would not remember them at all. Nobody would be talking about them. Or how about Denzel Washington's performance in Glory? Remember when that single tear rolled down his face while he was being flogged? It illustrated the pain of generations of Black men's frustrations with centuries of injustice. No one argues about these artists' place in cinematic history. Few, very few, mention the technical methods used in executing their roles, but everyone speaks about the passion they brought to it. And I have no doubt that if these artists held anything back from giving all to their work, there would be no mention of these films today. Now, what fascinates me about all artists is their ability to turn inanimate things to life. Uh, to do this well, this takes great passion. How else would like Disney, Pixar, Hanna-Barbera, Marvel, and the scores of other creators turn imaginary characters to lifelike, influential beings? Never, and I mean never, never downplay this power which resides in you. Never underestimate its influence and potential. That idea swimming around in your head could be the big game changer in your industry. The book that you're writing, it may be the next cultural explosion of Harry Potter fame. It may seem as if you're obscure and unnoticed, but passion, true passion for your gift has a way of keeping you going until your time comes. Listen to successful people. Listen to their story. Listen to successful people's story, and you'll repeatedly hear what kept them creating and pushing forward when there was no reason to believe they'd make it. It was passion. Commit to this way of being. Strive for excellence and never stop studying your craft. These are the things exceptional artists and creators do. And it's revealed by that peculiar light called passion that shines from deep within them. I hope that this video helps somebody. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Keep creating. Put the passion in your work. You are going to make the world a better place. I love you all. Yahweh bless. And I will speak to you all again soon.